सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद.
The non-political movement of the propagation of Quran and Sunnah. Dawat-e-Islami's publication department, Maktabatul Madina, now presents for you a well-renowned booklet named Blessings of Jumu'ah, written by Shaykh-e-Tariqat, Amir Ahl-Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhum al-Aliyah, consisting of 26 pages. You will find in this booklet, such as, when did our Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam perform his first Friday Salah, meaning of the word Jumu'ah, 5 special good deeds for Friday, the excellence of wearing turban on Friday, Hajj of the poor, and other useful information in addition to all the previously mentioned topics. You may download this booklet from the website of Dawat-e-Islami, that is www.dawat-e-islami.net. You are requested to buy this booklet from the various branches of Maktabatul Madina and distribute the books published by Maktabatul Madina in marriage ceremonies, tragic events, and congregational events in order to increase goodness in your book of deeds.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।